So this is Churchill this morning, March 14th, 2016. As you can see, it's pretty snowy out there, blowing. Big, huge chunks of snowflakes falling down across my window. It's just beautiful out there, but incredibly difficult to drive in. There is a truck behind the one that you can see that I cannot film at this given moment, but it is stuck, and I can hear somebody trying to get him out. There's the truck in front of him. He's the one that's helping him get out. The snowmobile that you see over there is stuck there. The fellow couldn't go any further. No big crisis. He only lives a few doors down from there, but still, he wasn't even able to get to his own driveway. It's an interesting day. Beautiful, crisp and clean as always. No pollution. Fresh air. And it really isn't terribly cold. It's just very inconvenient with all of that snow. Have a happy day, folks. Sooner or later, it's going to be warm and sunny here too. I keep my faith. It's beautiful anyway.